Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a couple, one of the tools up in this top right corner. It's the opening tool. It has a bunch of different varieties of different things that we can do to just create openings within the faces of our buildings, whether it be roofs, walls, floors, ceilings. It can be really anything, and really simple tools to use, but I think they're effective. And so you can see up here we have roof by or the opening by face, in which you just click on a face, and then you're able to uh, let's do a quick sketch right here, in which you can just sketch in and creates an opening according to the sketch that you do. In your roof, you can do that in your wall. You can also delete them after you've made them. This tool is the shaft tool, and this can be very handy, especially when we're I think it'd be personally handy, especially when we're doing elevators. We can just plot it out. So a typical elevator is like 10 feet by 10 feet. Um, so you can just do that, and so it just creates an opening in your floor, and you can adjust it too. You can adjust it. It's kind of like a void extrusion almost. You can adjust it so that way it can go up all through the different floors of your building, and you can use that for your elevators. You can even use it for your stairwells if you're going up and down. And so it has a good range of options for you to use it as. There's some other tools in here too. The wall tool, where you can cut holes or sections out of walls. For instance, we'll just do it right here real quick. Oh, as you can see, it just drew it in. But let's go ahead and you can click on that, and you can adjust it too. I think that's pretty neat. Is you can adjust the width and everything to it. It might be a little bit easier than editing the profile of the walls that we have, but I mean it serves the same purpose, and then it just creates that opening for you. And so you can mess around with that a little bit more to get a better understanding. But really simple tools, but very handy. Thanks for watching.